Yeah, greetings. My name is Isa Muhammad Zumo. I am from the Faculty of Built Environment and Surveying UTM. The title of my presentation is Satellite-Based Approach for Sustainable Grazing Land Ecosystem. Now, our grazing lands all over the world are facing a lot of problems, and these are caused by natural features such as climate as well as man-made features such as deforestation. Now, what are the consequences for not monitoring those grazing lands, for neglecting those grazing lands? One of the problems that we will face in society is hunger and malnutrition. So many livestock will die, and there will be less supply of beef as well as milk. And there will be mass migration of people moving from one place to the other, and this will cause a lot of conflicts. This will, all these issues will generate a lot of economic losses in the society. Then what is the way out? The way out is to use satellite remote sensing as well as machine learning algorithms so that we will generate a model that will continuously monitoring the distribution of grasses in a grazing land at a certain time, which will evaluate the number of livestock that will be grazed. Now, two types of data will be used, satellite data as well as the field data. The field data is divided into two, the training data as the validation data. The training data and the satellite data will be used in machine learning algorithms to generate a model. This model will be selected based on the level of fitness of R squared at least to be greater than 0.8. This model will be used to calculate the quantity of grasses in the grazing land. Now, the quantity of grass as well as the validation data test will use to validate the model, and the model, at least the model accuracy should be less than 5 grams per meter square of the quantity of grass. The quantity of grass being calculated as well as the livestock intake will be used to calculate the carrying capacity of that grazing land. The carrying capacity will tell us whether this grazing land is undergrazed, which means more grass, less livestock, or equilibrium. The grass and livestock are at equal proportion, or overgrazed, which means more livestock but little grasses. This study will be very useful in policy guidelines for maintaining and sustaining our grazing lands, and this will assist in achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 2 Target 2.3, that is food security and sustainable agriculture.